Speak only that which will bring you honor. He who has no faith in himself can never have faith in God. Burn worldly love, rub the ashes and make ink of it, make the heart the pen, the intellect the writer, write that which has no end or limit. Even kings and emperors with heaps of wealth and vast dominion cannot compare with an ant filled with the love of God. Dwell in peace in the home of your own being, and the messenger of death will not be able to touch you. Those who have loved are those that have found God. Let no man in the world live in delusion. Without a guru none can cross over to the other shore. The world is a drama, staged in a dream. Only fools argue whether to eat meat or not. They don't understand truth, nor do they meditate on it. Who can define what is meat and what is plant? Who knows where the sin lies, being a vegetarian or a non-vegetarian? I bow at his feet constantly, and pray to him. The Guru, the true Guru, has shown me the way. If the people use the wealth bestowed on them by God for themselves alone or for treasuring it, it is like a corpse. But if they decide to share it with others, it becomes sacred food. Riches cannot be gathered without sin and evil means. Death would not be called bad, O people, if one knew how to truly die. From its brilliancy everything is illuminated. Your mercy is my social status. Even kings and emperors, with mountains of property and oceans of wealth, these are not even equal to an ant, who does not forget God. Alone let him constantly meditate in solitude on that which is salutary for his soul, for he who meditates in solitude attains supreme bliss. Let God's grace be the mosque, and devotion the prayer mat. Let the Quran be the good conduct. The production of children, the nurture of those born, and the daily life of men, of these matters woman is visibly the cause. Owing to ignorance of the rope appears to be a snake. Owing to ignorance of the self the transient state arises of the individualized, limited, phenomenal aspect of the self. One cannot comprehend him through reason, even if one reasoned for ages.